District Administration Jiribam Sinduna ngasidagi Jiribam Babu Parada Lariba Ima Kaitel da Jiribam Book Fair 2026 Hodokre ngasidagi hayeng fawu chathagadaba book fair asigi hodokpagi thoram aduda Jiribam District DC Krishna Kumar amade SP Prakar Pandena Maru Eba Mitunglan Singh Oina Saruk Yakhe Thoram aduda Jiribam gi tongan be school singi oja Mahairoi amade Miyoi Kiana Saruk Yakhe book fair aduda pre nursery dagi horaga college Mahairoi singi lairik amade competitive examination singi lairik kaya putokhe book fair aduga mari lainana Jiribam gi DC Krishna Kumar na hai Jiribam da ahan bo oina pangthok liba book fair ase hayeng fawu pangthokane book fair ase mapung phahan bibagi da mak district asigi SDO SDC DLO amade tongan be school gi oza amade Mahairoi sing thagatle book fair asigi manung chana competition kaya amasu pangthokani haina mangna makha takhe
I would honestly appeal to media, to our general public and all the writers and authors from our district and from other districts. If they wish, they can also join in this first year book fair of our Jiribam district, so that this platform which we have set up today, in future also this kind of activities will be continued, for which we need active support from all the student bodies and the different schools and colleges, and from the media also. We need their help to provide it to wide coverage, so that more and more people can come to know about this kind of program.